car is ready to go. Good morning. Yeah, my car is beeping. Hang on. What is the day today? Let me get my phone. Today is the 4th of April 2026 and I am planning on going on a hike today. I have not been on a hike in a very long time. You're talking about maybe 4 months. It feels like a lot, I know, but I have to get back on track. The weather has been horrible here this year in the UK, so going out it has been almost impossible. But I am going to go today to Alport Castles, where I tried to hike last time. I think it was in November maybe, and I didn't feel right because the vibe, the feel was off. So I'm going to attempt again. Today is not raining. It's a little bit better than last time, and it's a bit cloudy, but that shouldn't be a problem. So hopefully I can make it to the end of this trail. I have also brought my drone with me. I got my flyer ID, my operator ID all sorted now. So I'm gonna try to see if I find a very quiet spot away from everyone and everything where I can try to attempt to maybe learn how to use it. I've tried it once and ended up trying to catch the drone with my hand, ended up cutting my hands or my fingers. But I think I need to spend some time learning it because I live in the city. I can't use it in the city anywhere here because there's people and buildings around. So a hike is going to be the right time to try to experiment a little bit how to use it. We've been trying to do some cool shots around me and see how that feels. But yeah, it's a 2-hour journey. I am gonna go grab some coffee first and then get on the journey. A good playlist, that's what I'm looking forward to, and then just, you know, quality me time. I'm so looking forward to spend some time away from the city. I feel like so stuffy and suffocating, but let's see how that goes. I don't want to have high expectations in case I end up getting disappointed. So I'm just expecting a very chill, very easy walk to the castles and then come back, enjoy the scenery, just relax. Don't be rushed. Don't try to stress about coming back on time because it's gonna get dark soon. Now Maghrib is around 7:43, so I have plenty of time. It's barely like 11 at the moment, so I got a whole day for myself. So yeah, let's go get some coffee first. Can I please get a decaf caramel latte? And can I also have the eclair that you did, the cream one, please? Cream eclair, yeah, please. Thank you. Hello. Okay, I am back in the car. I have my decaf caramel latte. I will show you with whipped cream. I don't know if can you see. Hope you can see. But I've been craving a coffee for a long time. I made myself one at home, but it doesn't hit the same as the one before your hike, you know. It just hits different. So yeah, I hope I don't spill it. But one thing I have been craving a lot, and I could not find it anywhere, is a cream eclair. How beautiful she is. Oh no, the chocolate is all stuck. Oh no, it's all gonna come off. What the hell? I need to scoop it up and scrap it. There you go. It's a bit deformed, but it's fine. Nonetheless, it's gonna be yummy. But taste test maybe? Should we do? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now I am going to get set on the journey. Time to go. Let's go. Just got into the car park is busy. Oh my god. Why is everybody out here? I can't find car park spaces. All of the car parks are packed. Got the ticket. Alright, I'm just going to put it in the car really quick. Okay, hike is officially starting now. I have paid for the car park, put the display ticket in there, and I am just going to go now. And it's cold. I am not prepared for cold weather, so I'm hoping me walking a little bit is going to warm me up. I'm just wearing a t-shirt and leggings and a rain jacket, that's it. But we shall see how that goes. My walk is gonna be a little bit longer because I couldn't find parking, but that's okay. I am already out of breath. Oh, I'm so out of shape. I am really out of shape. Here we are. I parked down there, the car park. And it's freaking raining. Why is it raining? It was not meant to damn rain. But we shall see. Look at the moss. It's soft. Oh my god. So soft. This would be a nice bed. This is everywhere. So much moss. Is there rabbit holes? Oh. Nope, maybe, I don't know. I can hear wind. Yeah, it's definitely wind, it's not water. It's beautiful, it's a very beautiful breeze. When you start walking, you start heating up. And I see a lot of people on the trail doing the same hikes, I guess. It made me feel a little bit anxious. I have not been on a hike in a very long time, so my pace is different than those people that have been hiking for a long time. And one mistake our brain automatically does. Hang on, I need to open the door. Where is it? Ah. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. That is a very beautiful trail to follow. There, along the trees. Cute. But yeah, I was saying, I have not been on a hike in a really long time, right? And one mistake our brain tends to make all the time is compare. So you see somebody that is walking in front of you, next to you, behind you, whatever, and we do always the comparisons. How am I walking compared to them? Is my pace okay? Is it fast? Is it not fast? Why is it not fast? And we end up, beating ourselves up. Why am I not fast as them? Well, I think we need to really understand we have our own pace and other people have their own pace. So just enjoy it. Don't think about it too much. Check out my view. It might not be the brightest colors, but it's so nice to see slight bit of greens again. Hear the breeze. That's therapeutic. This is what I needed. Peace. And I managed to get my shoes. Pretty dirty already. I hope they last me. I really hope they last me. I got them at a bargain price in Christmas time. So I think I'm gonna keep these ones that are new and don't have any issue with the glue coming off for my, you know, hikes where there might be mud, and for summer hikes or dry areas I'll keep the other ones. I just feel it's just gonna be wasteful to get rid of them if they're not fully gone out of business. But yeah, the vibes are different today, gotta say. I feel much calmer and I don't have anything weighing on my heart. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a good hike. Just walk and enjoy the scene. This is the intersection. Last time I came out of that gate, but this time I did around. I came back from that side. But either way, you have Snake Road going along that way, and I am going to go this way up to the ladder over there, and then crossing through fields. It should be pretty plainer, not rocky, not muddy, and nothing too challenging. So we'll see. That is the forest that gave me a very creepy vibe last time, or like a woodland area, but we shall see how the vibe is today. Wow, the wind has picked up. Oh, it's cold, but nonetheless it's beautiful. Agitated. I think I feel okay. I think. Okay, confirmation. No creepy sheeple. No creepy vibes. Feels good. Yeah. Is this like fertilizer? You know, animal feces? Put in here. Looks like it for the soil. There's some people coming back where I need to go. But thank goodness the wind is not consistent, it comes and goes, so I think I'll be fine. It's such a soothing sound of the wind blowing through leaves. Keep going. Okay, officially made it to where I was last time. I was so happy! Look at that, my view. Give it 360 maybe. Look at that. You can see a little bit of the blue is peeking through. I'm really hoping the clouds are going to clear. I have been walking for 44 minutes so far and managed to get to like maybe over a third. I think from here it's just literally a straight path that you follow and you're gonna get there. I'm hoping this route is gonna take me to the actual castles area. So maybe if there's nobody around, because it's in the middle of nowhere, right? I can try to get a drone shot maybe. But we'll see how that goes. came out, but the wind is so strong. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am dying here. It's so cold. I think I need to go back. The wind has been blowing so much. I don't know if you can even hear me. The wind has been blowing so strong. I can't walk. I'm literally blown to the side. The moment I'm on one step, trying to make the second step, and I've got a long way to go. Oh god. Oh. What in the actual hell? Hang on. Okay, I think it's gonna be coming back. Another day, I don't think I can carry on. Oh my god. Dang it. Oh. Oh, come on. I don't know what the hell was that. But I can't feel my hands right now. I don't even know if you can hear me. The wind is so strong. I literally cannot walk straight line. I try to go straight, I'm going on the side because of how strong the wind is. What the hell? I am back to the side now because I cannot walk in the strong wind. So this is another life lesson that we are learning through nature. We have to learn to be flexible, which is something I really struggled with. I was always adamant on, I have a plan, I'm gonna execute that plan. And when that wouldn't happen, I would be overly stressed. And what we are learning is that we can make plans, but not always those plans will lead us to the final outcome. A lot of the time we have to learn to be very flexible. So if the circumstances change, we change with them, because we can't control factors outside of our control. For example, I can't control nature, I can't control the wind, I can't control the environment. So why would we be stressing about that? Same in life, apply the same thought process to your life. I can't control how people think of me. I can't control how people behave. I can't control how people act. So don't bother stressing about it. You do what you gotta do, and everything else is gonna come together. But learn to be flexible, as in like go with the flow, and if the plans change, you change with them. And learn to not get upset about changing plans. Maybe there is a bigger reason for that. Who knows? I might have gone there, gotten there, died, slipped or something. So maybe that's a way of God protecting me. So yeah, I'm back into the forest. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to get out of this farm area where the sheepos are and get a break from the wind and play with my drone a little bit when there's nobody around, there's nothing around. And then I might go maybe Durban Dam, and there should be definitely water flowing from how strong the wind is and how much it has been raining. So maybe I can get you a nice shot there. But let's see how it unfolds. We go with the flow. Okay. about not having enough battery on my camera. I have barely recorded, maybe like half an hour. I think I need to get into the woodland area to get protected from the wind. The trees are gonna get the blow from the wind. Those are thorn bushes. Ooh. Oh. Okay, that is where I came from because I want to go to the Derwent Dam area rather than going back the same way, which would have been a very nice drone flying spot. I'm gonna go into the woodland maybe to get some break from the wind. Oh, there we go. Being in the woods a little bit. It definitely helps being in the trees. Check this out. The sun with the breeze. Oh my god, this is what I was craving so much. Wow, you can see the dark clouds coming from the side. Okay, I am working on my setup. I'm literally in the middle of nowhere. There is an open ground area. I'm gonna just check that I'm allowed to fly in here, but I'm gonna fly this baby.